So let's take a look at how to transfer your Counter-Strike crosshair into KovaaK's. So the reason this is a video is because KovaaK's is an old program and there's only a limited number of crosshairs here, which don't really match my requirements and probably doesn't match yours. So there is a way to import the crosshair from the external source, because clearly there isn't a crosshair editor in the KovaaK's program. So to achieve that, you need to take a screenshot of your Counter-Strike game. So you open like a snipping tool, and you go over here, you click full screen, and then you press new, right? And it's gonna open into this pop-up window. All you have to do is click this save button, or just copy it. Copy is more convenient for me. Now you need to edit this image. For editing purposes, I think PaintNet is the most convenient in this use case, but if you have something like Photoshop or some other like professional editing software, but please don't use Paint. It's so weird to do this with Paint. So if you wanna use PaintNet, just go through all the steps I'm showing right now on my screen. Go for the free version and go through all the installation steps. And when you open it, you're gonna see something like this on your screen. Well, not really, because it's gonna be like this. And then you press paste or Ctrl V. You click expand canvas, so it expands up to your screen size. And this is what you're gonna have. So for those people who are playing like smaller resolution than your actual screen, for the purposes of this video, if you're playing like KovaaK's and your full screen resolution, you have to keep it your screen resolution size, not your game resolution size. Because what we're gonna do right now is, look, I'm clicking this rectangle select button in the top left corner. I press Ctrl and I zoom in into my crosshair. And then what I'm doing and what you should do is I select like this corner area, and then I zoom out when I hold Ctrl and left mouse button. I go all the way out beyond like the borders of the image. I release everything and I click delete, and then I repeat this process for 4 times, and then 4 more times, I think you guessed it, to clear up like this residue, like the remainder of the screenshot. So everything's clear right now, and we're just going for these small things that stay on the image. Just be careful not to remove any of your crosshair pixels. Oh, damn it. Well. Alright. And if you have a gap, which I'm sure you do have, you delete the gap. So this is what you have as your end result. Then you click save. I save it on my desktop, so crosshair 4K, save, overwrite, and you go through all of this. I set like 32-bit depth and maximum quality or whatever. Interlace, I don't know what all of this means. I just click OK. I just want the highest quality because I want to preserve like the pixel like fidelity or some shit. So we're done with that. We can close it. And now all we want is open file Explorer, right? This is the way it's called. Now we need to open the KovaaK's Steam folder, which is in program files x86. Alright, Steam apps common, FPSM trainer, and there we have the crosshairs folder. This is where all the crosshairs are stored. So we also open our desktop folder, and we're looking for, we need to Control-C on the crosshair we just created. You're gonna have your own name there, and we just paste it over here. So crosshair 4K. After that, open your KovaaK's. It can be already started. You don't need to restore it. So you just open crosshair selection, and you should find your crosshair over here, crosshair 4K. Just click on it and make sure you have one next to the slider, which is the scale of your crosshair. Don't worry if you don't like the size it shows over here, because it's incorrect, because this program is so freaking old. You press save and it's gonna have another time. Well, it didn't now, but what I usually do is I save, right? And I have this ghost crosshair on my screen, which stays, and then it fades away. But pretty much, if you're still here, feel free to compare the sizes of these two crosshairs. I think they're pretty much the same. But if they are not, maybe I didn't research it too well, you can play with this scale over here. So 1.2 or some crap. So wait for it to disappear, and then it's this scale. So job done. This is how you do it. This is how you transfer your CSGO or CS2 crosshair into KovaaK's. Write down in the comments if you have any issues I can help you with. Hope it helped. See you. Bye bye.